How does Gen AI work in the challenges we have for safety and suitability? When's it a blessing and when's it a curse?
I'll go to the positive side first. I mean, you think about the fact that, today they said $10 billion a year, in invalid traffic. Okay.
$10 billion. Let's just remind the
$10
audience.
billion, right? Who's actually recouping that $10 billion? Not every agency is going back to every one of those publishers and saying, you owe me this 80 cents back here, $1.50 over here, $100 there. So they're not recouping that. So there's this wasted media
So you mean there's
expenditures.
$10 billion floating around in like coins down the back of a sofa that nobody collects?
There's some of that 10 billion is coins down the sofa, but AI could help us with that because if you've got your, identity document processing going, then you can process those invoices, connect back to the APIs of these different publishers and, seek those credits in a more automated
Sort of
fashion.
reconcile and matching.
Right.
What are some of the watch outs that you would say to the audience regarding how they're adopting Gen AI these days for safety and suitability?
Yeah. I mean, AI has got to be AI plus HI, human intelligence.
Yep.
You can't, those who are eager and fast to play, just want to have the AI do it, have the AI code for me and not have a real coder look at the code. You can't do that. You have to understand the balance of the value of human intelligence.
The first bias is the bias of the programmer, and you talked about the programmer. The second bias is the data set, and the third bias is the user. So, we've got to think about how to balance those three dimensions.
Right.